Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. MCRT was up 7% yesterday. Bitcoin up 3%. The altcoins pumping, which is beautiful. I'm going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button. Join 78,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button down there. And turn on the bell notification. I've been trading for 21 years. I've been teaching for now around 13 years. I have thousands of students taking my crypto master course, and you can learn all this, how to set up the technicals, how to set up the charts like you're about to see in this video. And my goal is to try to predict the movement of Bitcoin, trade with a small amount of my capital, and my larger amount of capital I'm splitting into cryptocurrencies and stocks. My main holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uniswap, MCRT, FXS, TON. Those are on the crypto, BNB on the crypto side. On the stock side, it's Tesla, Google, Facebook, Meta, TSM. That's what I'm holding, and Tesla on the stock side. So you can just subscribe and you can see my investments and what I do with my money over time. It's not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. What I do. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. MCRT up 7%, Bitcoin up 3%, big bounce back, Uniswap 3%. Total market cap 2%, Doge 2%, Apple 1%, TON 1%. I said this yesterday that I think that the market is looking really beautiful. We have a lot of inverse head and shoulders forming everywhere. On Bitcoin, we're still on that third wave. It didn't pull back enough for it to complete its third wave. The trade from yesterday came close to opening, but it didn't actually open. It missed it by 29,000. Missed it by about $300. Bull flag, V-shaped recovery, volume coming in, RSI heading in. Bitcoin crypto guru indicator bot is still a blue buy. It flipped to a blue buy here. Crypto guru alert bot, 26,000 in the last movement. It flipped to a buy. And the Bitcoin indicator bot said a sell yesterday. It fired a sell, which is interesting. Volume coming in, RSI is still heading up on the daily, on the 4-hourly, turning to head back up, on the hourly, turning to head back up, bull flagging. V-shaped recovery is key here. That means that was a really good entry, actually. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is, again, a little bit of a pullback, 29,935. So I'd go long from here in the short term. This support, stop loss just underneath the daily. And take profit at the fifth wave target, which is 35K. Risk to reward ratio 11. That's a trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Risking $444 to make $5,039 without leverage. 10x leverage is $50,000 of profits. Trades open at 29,812. Stop loss 29,368. And take profit at 34,929. Risking $444 to make $5,039 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage is $50,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video, you can find the link in the description. Let's also go into, this is interesting. This is Gary Gensler, the SEC chairman, being asked.
Experts have digital wallets or own digital assets.
He's the one making regulation on Bitcoin.
Under our ethics rules, they do.
Do you own digital assets or have a digital wallet?
I don't own any crypto assets. All of my securities holdings are actually digital.
So even though he's making the
crypto finance and other courses as well.
But you didn't own any crypto.
No.
You taught the course, but you weren't a user in the product.
I did not own crypto assets. They're a highly speculative asset.
No, I'm not asking for your view on it. I'm just saying that you're in the business now of making rules and regulations regarding digital assets, but you've taught a class on it. You've never personally owned a digital asset,
which I find so crazy. They're making regulations on it, but he never actually owned it or even understands what the technology is. MCRT is up around 6.7%, 3% against Google, 5% against Ethereum, ranked 850. Huge movement up 6% up yesterday. Volume up 43%, and just MCRT having a strong movement. You can get it on Bybit also. Let's also go into Ethereum. I'll show you my Bybit trade. So in the description of the video, so down below under the video description down there, you can see a link to Bybit. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link to sign up to Bybit to start trading. and then you get something like this. This is my Bybit account. We've got a Bitcoin trade open. It's up $3,700 from yesterday, $23,787 in the profit, 318%. This is a 2.98 Bitcoin trade, $23,700 in the profit. And this account was $270,000 yesterday. Now it's up to $289,000. So it's up about $19,000 or something since yesterday. I've got in here $289,000 in this account. I've got up $8,300 today, which is beautiful. We've got Bitcoin, $123,000 worth of Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin. I've got $46,000 worth of MCRT, 13 million MCRT. I bought $20,000 of FXS. Now it's $26,000. So that's up quite a lot since I bought that 20K. I have another big holding account of FXS. I bought TON, $20,000, now $23,600. I bought Uniswap, now above $10,000 worth of Uniswap. That's what I'm holding in this account again, $289,000. And this Bitcoin trade, $23,811 in the profits, which is beautiful. Let's look. So MCRT pumping 7.6%. Let's go into Ethereum. And in the next video, I'll do Uniswap. Ethereum looks bull flagging still. It didn't pull back yesterday to activate the trade. There was no pullback at all, which is very interesting. I find that very interesting. No pullback on Ethereum at all. And it's bull flagging. This is a little bull flag that's forming here. Everyone see this? Technical pattern, it's a bull flag. Pole and flag forming, which is a bullish pattern to move up the distance of the pole. So Ethereum can be making a move right now to the next stage of movement, to 2,200. My original target, if you guys have been following my videos for a long time, from the bottom at 800. This is where I'll go long on Ethereum. Stop loss just underneath daily and take profit at that target, 2,200. Risk to reward ratio 5.2, risking $38 to make $200 per Ethereum. With 10x leverage, is $2,000 of profits. That's a trade that I would take on Ethereum, opening at 20,081. Stop loss 20,043 and take profit 2,281. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade, the links are down below. That's what I think is happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum. MCRT is pumping. This is not financial advice. This is what I think is happening in the markets. The market is looking bullish. I made a tweet about this yesterday. There's a lot of inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish pattern. This is an inverse head and shoulders forming on a lot of the longer time frames. So let's see if we can see it on Ethereum. Yep, you can also see it on Ethereum. Inverse head and shoulders. You seeing this? Shoulders, head, shoulders, and this is on cryptos, a lot of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and crypto total market cap. And it's a very bullish pattern. Inverse head and shoulders look like these. These are what inverse head and shoulders patterns look like. You can see after they break the neckline, they move up, and you can see that here we're having similar formations on a lot of the altcoins. Thank you for watching, everyone. Congratulations on buying Bitcoin stocks at the bottom. We made massive gains. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.